ClearPath Retirement Planner Honest review. Wait before using. ClearPath, offered by Vitality Investment. These are mature funds designed to adjust their asset allocation over time, becoming more conservative as the target retirement date approaches. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros and cons, they come with a very simplicity which help you automatically adjust your investment as you approach your retirement, and it also come with a diversification which help you invest in mix of asset classes to balance risk and return. And talking about the wealth advisories, they help you tailor retirement strategy based on individual goal and access to experienced financial advisor. And here's the downside, which is the one size fits all, and a fee which is expensive ratio may be higher compared to other investment option. And here's the very conclusion. The clear path is a service offer situation for individuals seeking for structured retirement planning. Target date fund provide a hand-off investment approach, while wealth advisor service offer a personalized strategy. However, it is essential to consider associated fee and your ensure the chosen service align with your individual financial goal and circumstances.